Hey guys, hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing fine. This is Nagashadena from Uganda, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, like right now. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing candle molds. So we have the new shapes and the old shapes as well are restocked, and this is the package right here. I ordered this in June, late June, and I've just picked it today. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Personally told my supplier to squeeze them in a smaller box, and this is one of cutting costs. Yes, something to appear small but then having like a lot of stuff. I don't think they are going to fit in this box once they are open. So first of all, I'm going to start with these. So these they hold the wick in the candle. Yes, and they are right here. I ordered a few of these simply because these are for my personal use. I think in the next restocking, I'm definitely going to order like more of these to resell as well. So what do we have here first? We have this tray, and the shape of this tray, I would definitely put it right there. Yes, this is it. So the next shape we have is this. So this, I don't know, the light is quite too much, but let me try to open it. So with this is a lady, but plus size. The last molds we have were the ladies with a small waist, and this is the plus size. You can see, I don't know, the light is quite too much, but I'll put on the shape of these as well on this corner. So I'm going to go ahead and put them. These were 5 pieces as well. Yes, that's it. So the next one, what we have is this lady with a small waist, and the previous one had no arms, but this has wider arms. I think you can see it's quite clear. The waist is, and then the long arms as well. So these are ordered 5 pieces as well, and the outcome of the candle, I'll put it right there as well. Yes, those are ordered for 5. Yes, right here. So the next one on my list is this cute little thing. It's right here. This the candle of the shape, the actual product of this is, it really looks so pretty. Looks so pretty. Hope you can see how beautiful it is, and I put it right there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and go for the next shape. So there's 4 pieces. Yes. So the next one is this. I think this is my favorite. This is something that I put on my order list first. This is a leaf. Yes, this is how the mold looks like. This is the leaf. Yes, and the actual product of this leaf is also right there, and this looks so pretty. So these were 4 pieces as well. So the next one is this. Yes, these were 4 as well. Yes, they're right here. Honey. So the next one is this. You can come this side. No. Please don't. So this is the mold as. No, you can come this side. No, come this side.
What?
You come, honey. Come this side. So this is another shape as well. You can see this is my its neighbor. So this is it. This is how it looks like. And the product for this, I'm definitely going to put it right there. No, don't open, please. Okay, you can play with that. And the next one is this is how the mold looks like. It's
What?
kind of short.
Oh,
Yes, but it's also pretty, and I'll also put it right there. But honey, what are you doing? So I also ordered 5 pieces of these little things. Going to go ahead and put it there right as well. And the last one is, of course, the cube night candle, and the pieces are right there. This is the last candle mold shape that I ordered. So I'm definitely going to put this in right there. So that's basically it, and thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. And yes, these candles are available. All you have to do, I'm going to put the link for Vic shop in bio. So if you need these candle modes, they're available in Uganda. Yes, so thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and